Hello everyone, it's Ate Mai again and I am back for another content creation tip of the day. So I understand that some of you might not be comfortable na makipag-follow to follow or makipag-CMI and you feel like you have a really good content na sometimes nagba-viral naman. It's just that hindi talaga siya magkaroon ng traction. So, meron akong dalawang ways na po pwede kong isuggest sa inyo that you might wanna try. And hopefully, that will work para makapag-increase kayo ng followers and eventually, maybe, views sa inyong contents. Okay? So, the first one is yung free, yung walang bayad, wherein kapag merong nag-viral na content ninyo, yung mga nag-like, di ba? Siyempre, pag nag-viral, maraming nagle-likes. So, yung mga nag-likes doon sa content nyo na yon, you have the opportunity to actually invite them to follow your page. So, turo ko sa inyo. So, ganito lang yung gagawin ninyo. Okay? So, first, punta kayo doon sa profile ninyo. And then, go to your post. Doon sa mga reactions, you can click on that. And then, once you click on that, you see, there will be the options to actually invite, you see? So, I have invited a few, hindi pa nila ina-accept yung aking invite. So, yung mga walang option ng invite, ibig sabihin, followers na natin sila. So, tingnan natin yung iba. Okay, and then you just click on invite. So, lagi niyong bibisitahin yan. Kasi sometimes, they might be commenting in your content, but then hindi pala nila kayo pino-follow, and that is okay too. Kasi meron naman yung iba, hindi man sila naka-follow sa'yo, pero kung nag-view naman sila sa content mo at saka nagko-comment sila sa mga post mo, mas importante yon. Kasi ngayon, wala na sa number of followers di ba? Kahit konti lang ang followers mo, kung marami ang views and engagement mo, yun pa rin ang nagmamatter kay Facebook. So, focus on engagement. So, wag kayong magtatampo kung hindi kayo pina-follow. Basta, ang mahalaga, makipagkaibigan kayo para hindi man nila kayo i-follow as long as babalik sila sa content mo, magko-comment at makikipag-engage sila sa'yo, okay na okay pa rin yun. Okay? So, yung pangalawa naman is a paid option. So, kung meron ka talagang compelling content at mataas ang pride mo, ayaw mo makipagkaibigan, ayaw mo makipag-follow to follow at ang gusto mo lang, papanoorin ka lang, then you can actually boost your post. So, paano yon? Eto, pakita ko sa inyo. So first, pupunta tayo dun sa content na gusto nating i-boost. So kung makikita nyo, merong option to boost post. So it will give you the different options kung ano ang goal mo for boosting. If you want to get more views, more leads, more calls, more messages, diba? So you choose that. Nakakatulong din siguro ito para ma-monetize ka kasi magkakaroon ka ng higher reach. However, hindi ako expert so I don't think I'm the best person to answer this. But I see this as another option kung gusto mo lang magkaroon ng maraming views and magkaroon din ng reach. Yun nga lang, ang mahal niya, pinakamababa, $7 a day. Medyo mahal talaga siya. But for those people who sees this as a business na talaga, then that's a great option for them. Kung meron ka rin lang money to invest into boosting your post, that could be an opportunity to expose you to more audience. And ang maganda doon, once na-expose ka na, makikilala na nila yung page mo, babalik na sila talaga. To be honest with you, I boosted one of my posts, yung naka-yellow ako, yung tatlong sign kung paano ako na-monetize. I just boosted it for a week and then after that, nag-generate na siya nag-generate ng more views, hindi lang doon sa particular post na yon, kundi pati doon sa iba kong mga videos. So again, at the end of the day, ang ibuboost lang dapat natin is yung quality content na sa tingin natin makaka-resonate sa mas maraming audience. Kasi otherwise, kung hindi naman quality yung content natin, hindi rin gagana yung boosting. So dapat quality talaga yung content, otherwise sayang talaga yung pera natin. Okay? So yun lang. So those are the two options kung ayaw nyong makipag-follow to follow or makipag-count me in. For me, kahit i-invite mo pa sila, kahit mag-boost ka pa, kung hindi ka makikipagkaibigan talaga sa mga kapwa natin content creators, hindi. Unless talaga na talagang funny yung content mo or talagang nag-viral ka na talaga, nasikat ka na talaga, and then sana all. 'Di ba? Pero sa atin na nagsisimula pa lang, makipag-kaibigan tayo. I think that is the best route. Just make sure that you manage your time also. Huwag namang uubusin yung oras ng kaka-follow to follow at kaka-count me in. Just make sure that you set aside time to still improve the quality of your contents. Okay, so I hope this helped. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and see you again tomorrow for another content creation tip. God bless everyone. Bye for now.